Did you know the most skeptical customers make the best advocates? And so we had this one client, right? This guy questioned everything we ever recommended, never trusted contractors, always wanted 3 quotes, researched everything online first. When we suggested the ACF Flush Restoration Service, he flat out refused, said it sounded like snake oil. He demanded we explain every single step, then went home and spent hours researching it himself. Took us 3 visits before he finally agreed to try it, but man, after we restored his system's efficiency, everything changed. His house started cooling down in half the time, the air felt way colder, and his system wasn't running constantly anymore. Now this same guy who used to argue with us about everything calls us twice a month with referral leads. He posts detailed reviews, talking about his temperature improvements. He even offers to talk to our prospective customers about his experience. Everyone in his neighborhood knows how picky he is, so when he recommends something, people actually listen. His endorsement carries serious weight because they know he doesn't trust anyone easily. Ask your HVAC technician about AC Flush.